Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We continue reading from Srimad Bhagavatam. We are on Canto 8, on chapter 16. We are reading chapter 16. Does anyone remember what we are reading?
We were reading Hare Krishna.
Hare
We were
Krishna.
reading that how Kashyap Muni was instructing Diti as she was very morose, and then
Aditi.
he instructed.
Aditi.
Sorry, Aditi, Diti, and
Yeah.
Aditi. Okay, and she was very morose, and then Kashyap Muni instructed her to take shelter of Lord Vishnu and do the Payovrat and fast for 12 days, and then he was instructing him to do different mantras. So one was to say Shivji, and then Lord Vishnu, and all his names came, like all his two hands, three legs, and she was paying. He asked her to pay obeisances to the Lord Vishnu, who has two heads, three legs, four horns, and so on. And so he was instructing her to pay obeisances, and this was what we were doing. And they also told that this about the five tattva, the about the 24, the Sankhya Yoga, and everything, that how um yeah, this is what I remember.
Hmm. Glorifying the Lord, offering obeisances to him, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the different mantras for that. Okay, so thank you. And we continue reading. We are continuing the reading, the prayers that Kashyap Muni is instructing Aditi to chant. So text 34. Namasta Adi Devaya
Namasta Adi Devaya
Devaya
Sakshi Bhutaya Te Namaha
Sakshi
Sakshi
Bhutaya Te
Bhutaya Te
Namaha
Namaha
Narayanaya Rishaye
Narayanaya Rishaye
Narayana
Naraya Haraye Namaha.
Narayana
Naraya
Haraye
Haraye
Namaha.
Namaha.
Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Samishla Prabhupada. I offer my respectful obeisances unto you, who are the original personality of Godhead, the witness in everyone's heart, and the incarnation of Nar Narayan Rishi in the form of a human being. O personality of Godhead, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you. So obeisances unto the Paramatma, unto Nar Narayan Rishi. So Paramatma is witnessing our activities. Namo Markatas Shama
Namo
Namo
Markata
Markata
Shama
Shama
Vapushe Dhikata Shriye
Vapushe
Vapurvedika
Adigatshri
Keshavaya Namastubhyam
Keshavaya
Keshavaya
Namaste
Namastubhyam
Namaste Pita Vasase.
Namaste
Namaste
Pita Vasase.
Pitavasate.
My Lord, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you, who are dressed in yellow garments, whose bodily hue resembles the Markata gem, and who have full control over the goddess of fortune. O my Lord Keshav, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you. So Markata gem, this resembles the Krishna's body complexion. He is wearing yellow garments. Full control over the goddess of fortune. Only Lord Krishna has that. Tvam sarva varada pumsam
Tvam
Tvam
sarva
Sarva Varada
varada
Pumsam
pumsam
varenya varadarshaba.
Varenya
Varenya
Varadarshava
Varadarshaba
Ataste shriyase dhira.
Ataste shreyase
श्रेयसे
dhiraha.
धीरा
Padarenu apasate.
Padarenu upasate.
उपासते.
O most exalted and worshipable Lord, best of those who bestow benediction, you can fulfill the desires of everyone, and therefore those who are sober for their own welfare worship the dust of your lotus feet. Krishna can fulfill the desires of everyone. So anyone desiring of their own welfare needs to worship the Lord. For our own welfare, we need to worship the Lord. Anvavartantad yam deva
Anbhavavartanta yam
वर्तन्त यं
deva.
देवा
Shrischa tat pada padmayo
Shrischa tat padpadyayo.
श्रीचतुर्पद्मयो
sprahayanta ivamodam
So,
स्पृहयन्त
sprahayantah
इव
ivamodam.
Bhagavan me prasidatam.
Bhagavan me
भगवान् मे प्रसीद
prasidatam.
All the demigods as well as the goddess of fortune engage in the service of his lotus feet. Indeed, they respect the fragrance of those lotus feet. May the Supreme Personality of Godhead be pleased with me. So whole world is worshipping the demigods, whole world is worshipping goddess of fortune. But what are the demigods and goddesses of goddess of fortune doing? They are serving the lotus feet of the Lord. Eter mantra rishikesham
Eter mantre rishikesham.
avahana puraskritam
Avahana
आवाहन
puraskritam.
पुरस्कृतम्
archayet shraddhaya yukta
Archayet shraddhaya yukta.
अर्चयश्रद्धया युक्ता
padayopasparashanadibihi.
Pada upar sparshana adibihi.
Kashyap Muni continued by chanting all these mantras, welcoming the Supreme Personality of Godhead with faith and devotion, and offering him items of worship such as Padya and Arghya. One should worship Keshav, Rishikesh, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So Kashyap Muni very clearly is saying, worship God, Krishna, the Supreme Lord, with faith and devotion, offering him the articles of worship. Architva Gandha Mal Yadye
Architva gandhamalyadhe.
Payasasna Payed Vibhum
Payasasne payidhu.
Vastro Pavita Bharana
Vasto pavitra bharana.
Padyo Pasparashanestata
Padyos parshene
Parasparas
Gandha Dhupadi Charchet
Gandha
Gandha
Dhupadija Archane.
Charchere
Dvadashakshara Vidyaya.
Dvadasha
Dvadashakar
akshara vidyaya.
Haravidyaya.
In the beginning, the devotee should chant the Dvadash Akshar mantra and offer flower garlands, incense, and so on. After worshipping the Lord in this way, one should bathe the Lord with milk and dress him with proper garments, a sacred thread, and ornaments. After offering water to wash the Lord's feet, one should again worship the Lord with fragrant flowers, incense, and other paraphernalia. The Dvadash Akshara mantra is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. While worshipping the deity, one should ring a bell with his left hand and offer Padya, Arghya, Vastra, Gandha, Mala, Abharna, Bhushana, and so on. In this way, one should bathe the Lord with milk, dress him, and again worship him with all paraphernalia. So while worshipping the Lord, mantras are chanted. We ring the bell in the left hand, offer various articles for the Lord, bathing his lotus feet, offering him different articles of worship, ornaments, clothes. The mantra that Kashyap Muni is instructing Aditi to offer is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. That's the mantra Narad Muni also gave to Dhruv Maharaj. In this Kali Yuga, the mantra that we have been given while doing deity worship is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So this is the mantra that we have been given for this age of Kali. While worshipping the deity also, we chant this mantra. Chant this mantra on the beads. We are advised to chant the Hare Krishna mantra regularly, constantly. Shritam payasi naivedyam.
Shritam payasi nevedyam.
Naivedyam.
Shali annam vibhave sate.
Shalim
Shali annam vibhasati.
Sasarpi sagudam datva.
Sasarpe
Sasharpi
sagudam
sagudam
dattva.
sattva.
Juhu yan mula vidyaya.
Juhu yat
Jnana
vidyaya.
Deva.
If one can afford to, one should offer the deity fine rice boiled in milk with clarified butter and molasses. While chanting the same original mantra, one should offer all this to the fire. So offer to the deity rice boiled in milk with ghee and molasses. Chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, also offering all this into the fire. Can you all just give me one moment, please?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
Niveditam tad bhaktaya.
Niveditam tad bhaktaya.
Dadyad bhunjita vasvayam.
Dadyad
Yati
bhujita
vasvayam.
vasvayam.
Datva cha manam. Datva acha manam. Architva.
Dattva achmanam
Dattvachamanam
architva.
architva.
Tambulam cha nivedayet.
Tambulam cha
Tambulam cha
nivedayet.
nivedayet.
One should offer all the prasad to a Vaishnav or offer him some of the prasad and then take some oneself. After this, one should offer the deity Achman and then betel nut and then again worship the Lord. So prasad offer to the devotee, either all of it or some of it. Take some prasad for oneself and then offer Achman to the deity, also betel nut. Again worship the Lord. Japed Ashtotara Shatam.
Japed Ashtotaram Satam.
Stuvita Stutibhi Prabhum.
Stutve Stutibhi Prabhu.
Prabhu.
Kritva Pradakshinam Bhumo.
Kritva Pradikshinam Bhumo.
Pranamed Dandavan Muda.
Pranami Dandavan Muda.
And after one should silently murmur the mantra 108 times and offer prayers to the Lord for his glorification. Then one should circumambulate the Lord and finally, with great delight and satisfaction, offer obeisances, falling straight like a rod, Dandavat. So chanting the mantra like japa, circumambulate the Lord, offer the Lord prayers, and offer Dandavat pranam. Kritva shirasi tache sham,
Kritva
Kritva
Vitva
shirasi
Shristi
sham.
Tachishyam
devam udvasaye tataha,
Devam
Devam
Udvasayet
Udvasayatataha
dvi avaran bhojayet vipran,
Dvi Avaran Bhojayet
Bhojayet Vipram
payasena yathochitam.
Payase
Payasena Yathochitam.
After touching to one's head all the flowers and water offered to the deity, one should throw them into a sacred place. Then one should feed at least 2 brahmanas with sweet rice. So water and flowers which are offered to the Lord, usually then can put it in tulsi or in sometimes in a flowing river, flowing water, saying in a sacred place. So and then feed 2 brahmanas with sweet rice. Bunjita ter anugyata.
Bunjita Ter Anugyata
Anudyata
Sheshta Shesham Seshta Shesham Sabhajite.
Sheshte
Sheshta
Shesham
Shesham
Sabhajite
Sabhajite
Brahmachari Athartadratriyam.
Brahmachari
Brahmachari
Athatatratram
Athattatvatyam
Svobhute Prathame Hani.
Swabhute Prathame Ahani
Snata Shuchir Yathoktena.
Snata Shuchi
Snatashruchita
Yathautena
Vidina Susamahitaha.
Vidhina
Vidita
Susamahita
Samahitaha
Payasa Snapayitvarchet.
Payasa Nanam
Snapayitvarchi
Yathat
Yavat Vrata Samapanam.
Yavat
Yavat
Vrata
Vrata
Samapanam
Samapanam
One should perfectly honor the respectable brahmanas one has fed, and then, after taking their permission, one should take prasad with his friends and relatives. For that night, one should observe strict celibacy, and the next morning, after bathing again with purity and attention, one should bathe the deity of Vishnu with milk and worship him according to the methods formally stated in detail. So one, because the one breaks the fasting, right? Was fasting for 12 days and take the prasad, honor the brahmanas, observe celibacy. Next morning, again worship the deity. Payo bhaksho vratam idam.
Ayobhaksho Vratam Idam
Charet Vishnu Archanatrita.
Charet
Charit
Vishnu
Vishnu
Archanatritah
Archanatritaha
Purvavaj Juhuyad Agnim.
Purvavrat Juhuyat
Purvavajjuhuyat
Agnim
Braham Manams Chapi Bhojayet.
Brahmanam
Brahmanam
Cha
Shapi
Abhibhojayet
Worshipping Lord Vishnu with great faith and devotion and living only by drinking milk. One should follow this vow. One should also offer oblations to the fire and feed the brahmanas, as mentioned before. Evam tva ahar aha kuryat.
Evam tu aha aha
Har Aha
kuryat
Kuryat
Vadashaham payovratam.
Dwadasha aham
Aham
payovratam
Payovratam
Harer aradhanam homam.
Hare
Hari
Aradhanam Homam
Homam
Arhanam dvijatarpanam.
Arhanam
Arhanam
Dujatarpanam.
Dujatarpanam
In this way, until 12 days has passed, one should observe this Payovrat, worshipping the Lord every day, executing the routine duties, performing sacrifices, and feeding the Brahmanas. So for 12 days, this Payovrat have to be done. Pratipadinam arabhya
Pratipadinam arabhya
yavat shukla trayodashim
yavat शुक्लत्रयोदशम्
brahmacharyam adhasvapnam
ब्रह्मचार्यम् अधः स्वप्नम्
snanam trishavanam charet.
स्नानं त्रिश्रवणां करेत्
From Pratipad until the 13th day of the next bright moon, Shukla Trayodashi, one should observe complete celibacy, sleep on the floor, bathe 3 times a day, and thus execute this vow. Varjayet asad alapam,
वर्जयेत् असत् आलापम्
bhogan ucha vachams tatha,
भोगान् च अवचाम् तथा
ahimsra sarva bhutanam,
अहिंसः सर्वभूतानां
vasudeva parayanaha.
वासुदेवपरायणः
During this period, one should not unnecessarily talk of material subjects or topics of sense gratification. One should be completely free from envy of all living entities. And one should be a pure and simple devotee of Lord Vasudeva. So, for this 12, 13 days, completely absorbed in the service of the Lord, giving up sense gratification, completely engaging time and energy in worshipping the Lord. Trayodashyam atho Vishnu
त्रयोदशाम् अथो विष्णुः
snapanam panchaker vibho
स्पन सत्रपनं पञ्चके विभुः
Varaye chastra drishtena
कारये दृष्टेन
vidhina vidhiko vide.
विधिना विधिको विदेः
And after following the directions of the Shastra with help from Brahmanas who know the Shastra, on the 13th day of the moon, one should bathe Lord Vishnu with 5 substances: milk, yogurt, ghee, sugar, and honey. So on 13th day, milk, yogurt, ghee, sugar, and honey. Pujam cha mahatim kuryad
पूजां च महतिं कुर्यात्
vita shathaya vivarjita
वितशात्य विवर्जितः
charum nirupya payasi
चरुं निरूप्य चरुं निरूप्य पयसि
Shippivishtaya Vishnave
शिपिविष्टाय विष्णवे
Suktena Tena Purusham
सुप्तेन तेन पुरुषम्
Yajeta Susamahitaha
यजेत सुसमाहितः
Naivedyam Chati Nuganavad
नैवेद्यं चाति गुणवद्
Dadyat Purusha Tushtidam.
दद्यात् पुरुषतुष्टितम्
Giving up the miserly habit of not spending money, one should arrange for the gorgeous worship of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Vishnu, who is situated in the heart of every living entity. With great attention, one must prepare an oblation of grains boiled in ghee and milk and must chant the Purusha Shukta mantra. The offerings of food should be of varieties of tastes. In this way, one should worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So then one must observe a very nice, grand festival, gorgeous worship of the Lord. Chant the Purusha Shukta prayers, offer grains boiled in ghee and milk.
So, what it's saying that we spend the money on this, like not to be
Yeah,
miser, right? In the
not to
worship,
be
no?
mice. Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. Gorgeously worship the Lord. Spend money on the worship of the Lord. Acharyam jnana sampannam
Acharyam jnana sampannam
vastra bharana dhenubhihi
vastrabharanadhenubhi
doshayed ritvijashcheva
doshayet ritvijascheva
tad vidhi aradhanam hare.
tatviti aradhanam Hare.
One should satisfy the spiritual master Acharya, who is very learned in Vedic literature, and should satisfy his assistant priests, known as Hota, Udgata, Advaryu, and Brahma. One should please them by offering them clothing, ornaments, and cows. This is the ceremony called Vishnu Aradhana, or worship of Lord Vishnu. So, worshipping the Lord and also worshipping the spiritual master, worshipping the priests, um, satisfying the priests. There are 4 different priests involved in performing the yajna, giving them charity. So, worshipping Lord Vishnu and his devotees. Bojayetan gunavata
Bojayetan gunam
Tanvata
sad anena shuchi smite
sat
Sat
anena
Adena Suchi
smriti
Smite
anyamscha brahmanan chaktya
anyamscha
Brahmanam
brahmanam
Chaktya
ye cha tatra samagataha.
ye cha tatra
Tatra
samahitaha.
Samagata
O most auspicious lady, one should perform all the ceremonies under the direction of learned acharyas and should satisfy them and their priests. By distributing prasad, one should also satisfy the brahmanas and others who have assembled. So she's saying that one needs to follow the instructions, of the acharyas, of how to perform all these different ceremonies that he's mentioning to her. Dakshinam Guruve Dadyat
Dakshinam guruve dadyat
Tatyad
Ritvig Bhayascha Yatharhataha
Ritvipya Shacha Yathartata
ritvijayathartataha
Annadye Nashva Pakamscha
Pakam
annadinashvapakam
Cha
cha
Prinayet Samupagatan.
prinayet samupagatan.
Samagata
One should satisfy the spiritual master and assistant priests by giving them cloth, ornaments, cows, and also some monetary contribution. And by distributing prasad, one should satisfy everyone assembled, including even the lowest of men, the chandalas, eaters of dog flesh. So, offering charity to the spiritual master, to the priests, and prasad to everyone. Yeah, everyone, even the chandalas. In the Vedic system, prasad is distributed as recommended here without discrimination as to who may take the prasad, regardless of whether one be a Brahmana, Shudra, Vaishya, Kshatriya, or even the lowest of men, a Chandal. He should be welcome to accept prasad. However, when the Chandalas, the lower class or poorer class, are taking prasad, this does not mean that they have become Narayan or Vishnu. Narayan is situated in everyone's heart, but this does not mean Narayan is a Chandala or poor man. The Mayavad philosophy of accepting a poor man as Narayan is the most envious and atheistic movement in Vedic culture. This mentality should be completely given up. Everyone should be given the opportunity to take prasad, but this does not mean that everyone has the right to become Narayan. So everyone should be given prasad, even the poor people should be given prasad. But it doesn't mean that the poor man has become God. God is Paramatma in everyone's heart. He's Paramatma in the heart of the poor man. He's also the Paramatma in the heart of the rich man. But it doesn't mean that the poor man or rich man have become God. No. Only God is God. He is seated in our heart as Paramatma. There's a difference between us and Narayan. Is that okay?
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So then what is the difference between like the prasad distributed to everyone, even the chandals, but it doesn't mean that they become God. So it's something like I'm not really understand like what it means.
So prasad, whatever is made, whatever is offered to Krishna, should be distributed to anyone and everyone. To the rich man also, to the poor man also. Not that
No
prasad should be
discrimination.
given only to the poor man. No, prasad should also be given to the rich man because we all need prasad, whether we are rich or poor, whichever, whether we are Brahman or Kshatriya, Shudra or Vaishya, we all need prasad. So prasad should be given without discrimination. And some people say that by feeding the poor, we are feeding God. So that is not the correct view. God is not poor. God is the controller of Lakshmi Devi. He is the richest. He's the supreme personality. He's the husband of Lakshmi Devi. So because someone may say that when you're feeding the poor, you're feeding God, but that's not
Oh.
correct. That is what we are
Mm.
understanding.
Mm.
Like there's no discrimination, no?
No
Everybody is given
discrimination.
prasad. Yeah.
Yes.
In fact, by giving, I feel maybe to to a meat eater, the person, they say, prasad is so powerful, right? It can
That's
change
right.
the mind of that person,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Mm.
That's right. Yes. So prasad should be offered to everyone. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Like Garib, if we distribute prasad to like poor people, it doesn't mean like we are feeding God, right?
That's right.
It's something relevant. Yeah. 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 Just say
Yes.
we said like if you help poor people, it means you are uh, like maybe in the form of poor people, the God is there. So you don't know who is he or who is she. So maybe you indirectly you are uh, feeding God or doing service to God like that.
Yeah, but that is not the correct
Yeah, yeah, that is
principle.
not the correct. Yes, yes, I understood. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Mm.
like how no, they say that Narayan Seva. So it
Mm,
is
mm.
right. So people
Yes.
think that, oh, so God is there only in the poor. No,
Mm,
right?
mm.
Mm.
Yeah,
Because
even
Paramatma,
we
mm,
Paramatma is in everyone. No? Yeah.
yeah, Paramatma is not only in the heart of the poor man.
Poor.
And it doesn't
mm,
mean that because Paramatma is in the heart of the poor man has become God.
God. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know,
Mm,
God is
mm.
God. Nobody can become God.
Yeah, yes. Like even he is situated in our heart, but it doesn't mean like we are God.
That's right.
We are just part and parcel, and it's the blessings like we have. We are fortunate, or we are part and parcel of God, like that, right?
That's right. That's right. So each and every person, whether he be rich man or poor man, is part and
Yeah.
parcel of God.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, understood.
Okay. So should we stop here then?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila
Jai,
Prabhupada ki jai, Gaur
Jai,
Bhaktavrinda ki jai.
Jai.
Hare Krishna. Thank you
Hare
all for
Krishna.
listening and joining. Hari Bol.